Good morning, our Do It Eagle family. So just so that way I have we can get some clarity. Uh, there's been some feedback and questions regarding the academic enrichment on our block schedule, our blocked acceleration period, acceleration block. So just to clarify, what is going on in there? Okay, so I created this quick video so that way you can do a just a quick hash through of it all. So at this point, teachers that have acceleration or academic acceleration blocks should only have two courses in there. Either it's going to be this or that. We are doing nothing but math this first quarter. Okay? So, what does MSAACE06 mean? That means that, and then the dash, and then the section number. It's really is an acronym for Middle School Academic Acceleration and Enrichment, and then the grade level. So here, that's why it's a middle school academic acceleration enrichment and enrichment on the sixth grade. So which students are on these classes? Because you guys probably are wondering. These are the students who have actually passed the STAR test. These are the students who have passed the STAR test. Okay. What are the limitations in terms of the number of students in this roster? I'm getting some emails saying that they have 35, 25, the whole gamut of numbers. So for this class, because these scholars have actually already passed the STAR test, what this really becomes is an acceleration and enrichment class, which means that we can actually have up to 35 students per class on this. Okay? Again, we can have up to 35 students per class on this. So what will be the curriculum for these classes? The Curriculum Instruction Department is providing us this for guidance. As of the moment, we are still waiting for what the next steps are. But for now, the beauty about it for now is that we can actually just focus on the social emotional state of our scholars. We have some time built in, so we'll just make sure that we can discuss with them our do it expectations, and then just talk to them about how this year, how they've been over the summer, and just discuss with them, focus on their social emotional side at this point. Okay? And we still have to make sure that we take attendance and all the expectations. Nothing's changed, but just right now, let's focus on that. We'll get you more guidance in that. Now, the next one, if you have it, is middle school acceleration in mathematics, sixth grade. That's what MSAMTH mean. And then that's the grade level. So which students are on these classes? Well, it's the students who either did not pass or was absent during the STAR test in math. So this is the one that is really we're focusing on for our acceleration. What are the limitations in terms of the number of students in this roster? The ratio is really 15 to 1. We've discussed that. However, I'm going to put a however on it. You should have about 17 to 20 and maybe 22 sometimes in your roster. Right now, here's the why behind why it had to be that way. The first thing is to ensure that we have enough rooms for our scholars to physically be in on the first day of school. Once everything is settled in, we will then start inserting teachers in those classrooms to make the ratio down to the acceptable threshold. Basically, what I'm saying is bear with us. You will get some help if you have more than the 20 or more than the 15, and then we'll go from there. So again, the curriculum for this, we're waiting for the final guidance from the central office of what exactly that looks like. But then again, we just have to focus on our social emotional state of our scholars for this first couple days. And we will get guidance, we'll get clarity as this goes. And please keep in mind, and we are appreciative of your nimbleness and your flexibility on this, because we are all learning together in this. I'm relaying to you messages that I'm getting. I'm hashing it through. Ms. Dillard and I are going through, and then as I go through it, I filter it and I send it to you guys as soon as I can. And hopefully, you guys got some clarity on what these classes are. Again, remember, first period starts, second period goes, then the acceleration block is where they need to be, and then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, and then we'll go through with that every day. But hopefully this has helped everybody out. I appreciate all your time and patience, and I'm signing out. Thank you.